guys, time for another unboxing, build and review of an Airfix Quickbuild. And I've got in my hand a Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Same spew as before, it's 5+ in age. That means that it's pretty much safe for a 5-year-old. It doesn't mean they could build one. They are very, very hard work to put together some of the stuff. It can be a bit fiddly. And really, if you're a 10-year-old who's into their Technic Lego, they'll find this a bit of a breeze. You could also buy these kits for your friend or people that you know who are into their sports cars. It could be a great little stocking filler or Secret Santa or a birthday present to a colleague or a friend or even to one of your loved ones. And it will look good on your shelf. Okay, they are very, very well made. There's a lot of detail that goes into this, and they are easy to put together. They say no glue, no paint, just build. I like to say no mess, no fuss, a model. So part number for this one is J6019 Quickbuild Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. And it does have the official stickers. So it's an authorized product or official release for the Lamborghini company. You can see the bull there, and it does have one flying out. So if you are in the FX club, save your tokens, because when you get so many, you can then get yourself a free model. But nothing much else on the box art. It's all pretty smart. On the back, it just has some stats. It has a breakdown or an exploded view on how it looks. And just looking here, it says it's a 2-seater, 4.7 meters long. So it's quite a long car, 1.14 meters in height. Has scissor doors, obviously. It's a 2-doors mid-engine. It's an all-wheel drive, okay. It weighs 1.5 ton. Now, the actual engine basically, they built an engine called the 700 PS, all right? It's a 6.5 litre engine, 12 valve, okay. It weighed 235 kilograms. It was known as the L539, okay. And it was their 5th in-house engine that they designed and built, but it was only their second V12 they actually designed, okay. You may recognise this car because it was one of the characters in Transformers Age of Extinction. It was Lockdown, and he was like the main antagonist in the film, okay. So yeah, this is Lockdown. One quick fact was that Lamborghini only actually planned to build 4,000 of these vehicles, okay. And so it released in 2011, it finished in 2016, but they still carried on with some other various kind of different models to this to about 2017. I think the last one was 2018, but they did pass 5,000 units in that 6-year period, which was a huge milestone. It was a very popular car. Okay, so there's some history of the Lamborghini. We're going to have a little look now and unbox it. Oh, but one thing I was going to say was 2.9 seconds to hit 60 miles an hour. Okay, 690 brake horsepower. That is some engine, some car. Okay, so let's just give the box a quick open. And obviously inside you will get a bag of bits, which is all the body. Some instructions. Oh, that's new. I've not seen that one. There's another bag which is your glass, okay, or your plastic, which is your windscreen. And in the bottom here, which is some stickers. Now there are, I think it was 22. Yeah, there's 22 sets of stickers here. Okay, you'll see I think the stickers make this a little bit complex, but we'll show you in a minute just by looking at what I've seen so far of this car. You can clearly see there's a lot of stickers there. Looking at the instructions, you will 32 pieces, right? So we've got that bit sorted. You can see that in some stages you've got to put the stickers on. So these go like inside the door, like part 16. And number 21, they go inside the door, or it may be a door. I think that may even be chassis. I don't know, or part of the wing. Sorry. yeah, so it's pretty well simple. You got your tyres, your wheels, axles, then you do your side panels, put the chassis down, carry on building through, put it all together by 19. There's your engine, which you could actually do a little bit of paintwork on the engine to spruce it up a little bit, or spruce it up a little bit, sorry. Bonnet, dashboard, which has a sticker as well, all the way down through. Put your seats in, then put your roof, your glass in, then your roof, then the back side of it, front part for the chassis, which would probably be the engine protector, and you're basically done. And there's the stickers there, so you've got quite a lot of stickers to play with. You know, on the back end alone, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the back end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the front. No, actually, it's more than that. It's 7. Then you've got 3 either side, but it will be a bit of a fiddly one, I can imagine, because you can see with the stickers how small they look. They are very, very tiny, some of them. There's your Lamborghini for your, I think that's your number plate, and there's your badges. 6 and 7, that must be for the sides. Just looking on here for 6 and 7. Oh no, it's the lights. Wow, the lights. That looks pretty smart actually for lights. I thought it was some sort of exhaust system. So yeah, let's put them to one side, and then I shall get out the roasting tray. And I'll put it one side. Let's just get the bag open first. There we go. Quick tip: blue tack, or white tack, or purple tack, or pink tack, or green tack, whatever tack you got. Brilliant for protecting yourself with your knives. Put some down straight. You'll never cut yourself again. Mind you, I cut myself as a pastime with these knives. So cut open the bag nicely. Roasting tin. Let's put it all out. There you go. So they're quite big pieces in here for a 32 piece. The tyres are rubber. There's 2 widths to them. Okay, just a quick tip. There's 2 widths. You've got the fat ones and the thin ones. There's a little rim inside the tyre. Okay, you can just see it there, a little rim. And that basically means you put it in, the only one way they can go in, and they just pop into position, push them down flat. So that's that bit done. We'll just open up the glass here so we can have a quick look at the glass. There you go. Put that on there. And there's the windscreen. It's going to be quite a flat car. So, roasting tin already. Okay, let's just have a quick crack. And let's build this and let's see how long it takes me. Okay, so, see you after the time lapse. So yes, it's an easy enough build. I enjoyed building it. Took me around 10 minutes to build. There's some fiddly bits, which are the stickers. It just took an age to work out the stickers. It sounds really daft, but there's tiny ones that go here and here. The ones that go inside, like the air ducts, were just a nightmare to get in. Eyeing it all up and everything. The stickers down here. The badge there, it's not quite straight, but you know, I ended up using a pair of tweezers, you know, to help me get them in position in the end. But you can see in the time lapse, you know, I did struggle with that. It goes together like a breeze. It really is a nice, engineered, clever way of putting things together. Like the doors, you build up the doors, and then the mirrors, like they slot in at the side, and they just point and they come out at the side of the door. It is brilliant. Need to do a little bit. You can hear that there's a little bit of resistance there. That's because of the little nooks, or the little bits of rubber on the tyre, which I will sand down, or I will get a knife and just cut them off, you know, so they're nice and smooth. It says on the bottom exactly what it is: Airfix Quickbuild Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. It is worth buying. You know, if you've got a friend who's got a kit, who's into sports cars and wants a kit, get it for him. It will make a great stocking filler. It really would. Really enjoyed it. You can see there are some little bits that show, but it is, other than that, it is what it is. It's a really good quick build kit. Okay, so what can I give that? It is worth it. Okay, I don't really have much more else to say on it. It's it is what it is. Okay, just be wary of the stickers. It is hard work. Of course, there's the hard work putting these stickers on. But other than that, it is a dream. Okay, if you could do me a favour and like this video, that would be fantastic. I've got a competition where you can win this RAF Red Owls Hawk. It is a quick build. It's one of the later models, J6019. As you can see, exploded view on the back, and there's some nice stickers to go on. They're a bit fiddly, it's quite a long bit, but I'll be doing a review on this anyway in the not too distant future. But I've got 2 of these, so I decided to give one away. If you can share it on Twitter, and you can comment below and share it to all your friends who you think would like this, that would be brilliant. And I'll put all the names into a hat, and I'll contact you if you win, and I'll send this to you wherever you are in the world. I'll send it to you free of charge. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Until next time, cheers.